It's always the expedition in Tyrone, like to get as far as you can and hopefully reach the pinnacle, like, and hopefully we can push on this year and see where it takes us.
Listen, I'm joined by Brian Kennedy. Brian, I'm sure you're looking forward to getting next season up and going, but you might miss the McKenna Cup, is that right?
Yeah, might miss the opening stages of it anyway. Hopefully be back for the start of the league.
Yeah. What's the injury?
I just was struggling with a bit of a groin injury last year, so I think that's sorted, but on the right road now, so hopefully be back soon enough.
And looking forward to getting back to action then, I'm sure.
Yeah, definitely. Look, it was a long layoff there from the middle of the summer, so I think everybody's on the same boat. They're pushing hard to get back in for the new year.
There was some great heights for Tyrone there last year.
Yeah, there's probably a lot of ups and downs, you know. We definitely showed well in some games, and then others we probably didn't do ourselves justice, especially the last day against Kerry. But look, hopefully we can rectify that this year and push on a lot of it.
I mean, you know all about you've been to the very top of it. Is that what it's all about, you know, finding that consistency?
Yeah, definitely. You know, a lot of teams can pull off one-off results, like, was about getting that consistency and getting the back behind each performance, and hopefully we can push on far in the championship.
Brilliant. And Malachy O'Rourke, this is his second season, isn't it now? So sort of the bedding in period's done, and you'll be hoping, I suppose, I'm sure, to get back to where Tyrone always expect to be.
Yeah, definitely. That's always the expedition in Tyrone, like, to get as far as you can and hopefully reach the pinnacle, like, and hopefully we can push on this year and see where it takes us.
That pedigree in Tyrone, that, you know, obviously that fierce interest in the game in Tyrone, is that pressure on you, or does it inspire you, or, you know, how do you feel about that?
No, I wouldn't say it's pressure. It's sort of what we're up there to do that. Like, I suppose every man here that's at that launch tonight is in the same mode. Like, they wouldn't be out pushing for the county if they didn't think that that big prize is there at the end of the day. So everybody's pushing towards one thing.